Picking the right business name can be tricky, and that's where a DBA or doing business as comes in. A DBA lets you operate under a name different from your legal one, which is useful for branding without creating a whole new LLC. It's affordable, helps with marketing, but doesn't provide liability protection like an LLC does. And anyone in another state can still use the same name unless you trademark it. Filing for a DBA varies by state, but usually involves checking availability, filling out paperwork, paying fees, and sometimes publishing a notice in a local paper. Services like Zen Business simplify this process by guiding you through your state's requirements, filing the DBA for you, and even helping with LLC formation, tax support, and branding tools like domains, logos, and websites. Their plans range from free plus state fees to premium packages with compliance services and marketing extras. Overall, a DBA is a flexible way to expand your brand. Do your own research.